Hey guys, Rich with Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh. Hey, and we are at a sneak peek at the Dundee Auction House. And it's raining, of course. So let's go ahead and take a look. Hey guys, what do we got? What are we looking at? This is a Exmark. And let's see what we got here, man. Has a Vanguard on it, and that looks like a huge deck. What size is that deck? Maybe 72. What else we got? Everything is getting wet out here, so it seems like the days before the auction it rains. Got some blowers out here. Got a little Honda GC 190, 3 snow blowers. There we go. We have this Simplicity, the bagger system. Looks like it has the deck and a plow and all that good stuff with it. Got a few push mowers. Look at this one. They don't make them like that. That'll outlast all of us right there. Troy built, Craftsman. We got a DR. It's like a brush hog. Got a little lawn sweeper there. I think I have one of these Bolins. And 33-inch Troy built. Those were kind of underrated. They're kind of good and bad at the same time. But they do fit inside the fence, so that is helpful. Got a snow plow. Tires, look at that dog cage. That looks nice. Well, if anything's out here that's valuable or electronic, it's getting wet. I believe that was at the last auction. Somebody might have bought it and brought it back or something. There's some lights. More snow blowers, a generator. Got a mower back here. And a seat. A Craftsman. Has a Tecumseh on it. We see that right off the bat. Big wheel, easy push. Got some drill stuff out here. Some Hyper Toughs. No battery on that one. That is a, say, 8-volt on it. Some crates. What else we got out here? Way down here, they skipped all this spot for some reason. They put some stuff way down here. If you guys see anything that you want me to bid on, let me know. Got a smoker. Every time I see a smoker, I think of the Lawnmower Detective. He's got that smoker that he was smoking some meat with. Alright, looks like we're going to have a couple jet skis out here tomorrow for sale. And look at this nice big plow. That's pretty nice. Of course, we didn't get much snow. Probably didn't even use it this year. We got a Woods 0-turn. I believe that was at the last auction. Maybe somebody's gonna, either it didn't sell or they're gonna go ahead and sell it, or they bought it, didn't run or something. So we'll find out some information about that. Got a F250 for sale. Super Duty. Doesn't look too bad. Got some wagon stuff up here. Look at that. That looks pretty nice. Let's put some flower pots and stuff on that out in the yard. Stop. Ooh. Got a press there. That'll be nice. Becoming useful. Well, here's some new looking stuff over here. What do we got over here? What do we got? What are we looking at? Oh, we got a 1/4 inch quick release chuck drive hyper tough. There we go. Thought I seen another hyper tough something there. There it is right there. Hyper tough. And I think there was one more. Right over here. Look at this. Got some hyper tough stuff. There we go. Hey guys, so that'll wrap it up for our sneak peek. Hey, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon. Get notified every time I put out a new video. And we'll see you at the auction.